Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to present a critical analysis of Belinda's character in Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. My personal informations, table of content, introduction of author. He was born on May 21, 1688 in London. He was a poet, writer, translator, and satirist. His notable works are an essay on criticism, the rape of the law, etc. And he was died on May 30, 1744 in England. Before start, uh, before my presentation, I want to share some interesting information about Belinda's character. This poem is based on a real life incident which is introduced by Alexander Pope's friend John Carl. Uh, a man named Lord Petre cut off his suitor's Arabella Former's lock of hair. In this poem, the Baron represents Lord Petre and Belinda represents Arabella Former. Uh, Pope writes later to Arabella that he is taking this subject matter for his poem. Here I mention introduction of Belinda's character. She is a protagonist of the poem. She is beautiful and fashionable. She had strong-willed and determined. First is physical beauty and vanity. Uh, Belinda portrayed as beautiful, young, and vain aristocrat of the 18th century, and her physical appearance is emphasized throughout the poem. This focus highlights her vanity and egoistical personality in the poem. Social status and power dynamics. Member of the upper class wields and significant social power. Aware of her status and uses it to manipulate men around her. When she attends the party, she tries to manipulate many men there. Her power was shown to be fragile. Agency and passivity. Depicted as a strong-willed and determined individual, shown to be passive in the face of the Baron's action. When Baron cuts his lock of the hair, this event we can see in the poem. Symbolism of the lock. The lock of the hair that Baron cuts off serve as a symbol of Belinda's virginity, beauty, and power. The loss of the lock represent loss of innocence and challenge her to social status. Belinda thinks that the loss of the lock of hair uh, affect her social status and her innocence might be in a danger. Feminist interpretations. Belinda's character has been interpreted in various ways by feminist critics. Some sees her as a representation of the limited agency and power available to women in 18th century. Some argues that the character of Belinda represents a paradigm of feminine powerlessness, and other argues that she embodies the societal expectations placed on women. Psychological complexity. Belinda's character is often seen as a satire of the aristocracy and the excess of the upper class. She also exhibits a level of psychological complexity. Belinda's reaction to the loss of her love reveals a vulnerability and emotional depth that challenges her initial portrayal as a one-dimensional character. Conclusion. Belinda's character in The Rape of the Lock is a rich and complex representation of 18th century aristocratic culture. Her portrayal raises important questions about agency, power dynamics, and societal expectations placed on the woman of 18th century. References. Thank you.
Hello, Srishti. My question for you then, what is the central theme of the Rape of the Lock and how it is the reflect in Belinda's character?
The central theme of the poem is the societal expectation and limitations placed on a woman, and and it was reflected in Belinda's character through her portrayal as a beautiful, vain, and passive aristocrat.
So, Srishti, my question is for you. What does the symbolism of the lock of hair represent in the context of the poem and how does it relate to Belinda's character?
So the lock of the hair symbolizes Belinda's virginity, beauty, and power. Its loss represent loss of her innocence and a challenge to her social status. Thank you.